the students from Napier Intermediate. Who have I got here with me?
Me, Caitlin, friend, Ellie.
And you guys are a part of a team working for the Edible-cation Awards. So what have I got in front of me right here?
We have fruits and marshmallows, licorice, and rainbow belts on it.
I'll just take a quick zoom so no one can...
I'm not going to lie, right now guys, it actually looks absolutely fantastic to eat. I know it's on some cereal and hot boiled anymore, but could you still eat it?
No, probably not. Sure.
That can be doable, I can do that. So how long have you guys been working on this?
About a month.
A month to 4 weeks. And what's been any issues that you've come across while making the design?
The rainbow belts because the sugar doesn't stick with the glue.
Okay, so then what did you guys do to combat that?
We washed it to get all the sugar off it.
All good. And obviously there's some prize money involved here. And there's 4 of you. Now, what's going to happen with the money?
So we're going to get $50 each because it's 300 if you win. And we're going to share it out.
And each what we would do. What do you get?
We'll be using some like M&M's.